Sandro here from Carcraft Auto Detailing in Melbourne. Today's video is a quick look at some before and after images from one of my personal car restoration projects. This 1974 Honda Civic was a barn find I bought a few years back, found in northern country Victoria after being in storage for many years. Although it was in very rough condition, it was completely straight and rust-free, and with just a little encouragement, the engine happily turned over and idled smoothly. After having it transported home, I began my restoration project, which starts with the engine, changing all the fluids, leads, filters and so on, to cleaning and restoring the engine bay as a whole. Next I move on to the interior, stripping it out for the most part, back to bare metal, and then starting the rebuild process. From carpet underlay to deep cleaning and restoring all the components, piece by piece, before they are placed back together inside, as well as trying to find missing or badly damaged parts from wreckers and online sources from all over the world. Lastly comes the exterior and paint restoration, which starts with a deep decontamination clean, then moves to a strip down and removal of parts such as bumpers, trims, wheels and grills, which are all restored piece by piece again. Finally is the paint restoration process, which usually involves wet sanding, compounding, polishing, touch-up, and protecting all the finish. This particular restoration was done over a 6-month period, involving a few hundred hours of work to get this Honda to where she is today. Personally, for the most part, I love restoring my cars back to their original condition. And I have a soft spot for 70s and 80s cars, as these are the models I grew up with and learned to drive with. My aim when buying most of my project cars is to restore them and then sell them. But more often than not, I tend to become invested and attached to these hunks of metal, to the point that selling them feels like I'm parting with my best mate. I'll stop talking now and leave you with the rest of these images. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.